Hey, we're going to. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Where are we going? Where are we going?
The PE instructor.
Picture na po ko dira day. Dire.
We are now in education department. So this is the education department. And that there is the library. You know, the library. And there is the plaza. And there's the grandstand. Library. That is my classmate, my friend, Pepito, my friend. Believe this all that can be, a miracle star whenever you dream. Believe the things from your heart you'll see. Your song will hold the key.
Is this it? Is our research innovation?
And this is the research
and
innovation.
Knowledge and innovation and services. And this is the Southern Lady State University Research Innovation. The research innovation is more popular in the research. Like mostly it's an articles and
Sure.
like an argument in journals and others argument in physics and socially improving our research innovation.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And thank you for the Southern Lady State University for these campuses. Thank you.
That's all for today. Sure. And this is the U building
This is
here.
U building. This is called U building because they're more in other subject like mathematics, discrete mathematics, popular and purposive communication, English, and every else like understanding the self.
Yes.
Yes.
And like purposive communication and other about art.
So we'll learn new knowledge from this subject.
Yes.
And we're going to our
Where are we going?
department.
Our department. To the CCSIT.
CCIT Computer College, College of Computer Studies and Information Technology building, and we have more than 1,000 computers
There.
there. I think there's a 1,000 computers for my certification lang. Because let's introduce our department.
We are now in our department.
Yes.
This is our department.
Our department is called college computer science. College in computer science, and information technology.
building. So this is our classmates here.
Here.
Sila may del.
Here. There's a lot of knowledge for this department. It has, programming like coding and C# language. They teach Java, and we have to be more knowledgeable for programming and networking because this networking is more improving by designing of our computer science. It's because this department is about information technology.
Yes.
Yes.
So let's now go to the entrance.
think there
we're actually
are-
having a faction here.
Yes.
Where this is the member of Mass Dance, the dancerist.
Mass dance, and I think they have this is organization structural of this is existing. This is the department.
So this is the department. I mean the office.
Yes,
This is CSITB. We have class here.
building ko. We're going
Sila ko an may din.
This is the part of the right for this inside.
And there's also upstairs. There. Here's the stairs.
This has second
There
floor.
is our
Our
lab.
laboratory. That's
Computer
it's
lab.
called Oracle University Laboratory. And there are a lot of students in here of the CCSIT. There's more knowledge about programming and networking. This course is more reliable for us because it's been
One ba sila?
dito ka.
So let's now
we're going to move out in IT ITB
so
or
this
the
is the
industrial technology building.
building.
We're going to locate our research proposal for the an STP
Yes.
coordinator. Our shout out for our
CWTS.
faculty instructor.
Sure.
Sir Redan, Malaysia. Oh hi, we're going to go
We're finding
search about our place to go. What is the research proposal for making our research proposal project?
Will you please repeat it?
And I think we're
So
going
this
to
is
decide
the,
engineering
engineering
building. The engineering building is more on calculus. There
Yes.
also have mathematics and every inspection in life.
Ano sasabi niya? Ano daw?
And this is the IT. Yes,
This is the industrial technology.
there are a lot of electrical automotive.
Yes, they have automotive
automotive
and electrical.
This is
Asan na ba
going
daw,
to COT, the College of Tech. By the way, we're going to go and this is the Department of Industrial Technology. It's so many of department in here. There are a lot of technology
Yes.
in every department. Like this, there's another building for the industrial technology.
This is the third
This is the third.
building of IT.
I think they lot of the vehicles. They making vehicles.
Yes, I think this
Area
is
of
for
cylinder
automotive.
red servicing.
Yes.
Always. And this is also building four of the IT
This is the fourth building
Building.
of industrial technology.
And I see the more on refrigerator, aircon.
Appliances.
Making this. There a lot of aircons in here. Aircon na?
Murag
Dili.
mga kuan sila.
Ref.
Murag ref.
And we're going to find our location for the project proposal. The perfect
So there's our
location.
classmates here.
Yes. And
Industrial 6.
4 minutes.
O
Sa
4
four.
man ni kutob.
4 minutes 4.
Ini sa 5? Na dito.
Na 5.
Ah?
Kana nga building, kana ay building kana nga kon. Asa dapit.
There's the product of the industrial. It's a food technology as I guess.
Yes.
I guess it's a food because it's the product of the display in the business center like this. This usually of food
Center.
making, like research food. I think this is a food technology.
Nag-picture ba ako direct day?
Hello,
Is it me you're looking for?
it's me.
I can see it in your eyes.
Yeah.
So this is the HRTM building.
RTM building.
I guess that's all for today.
And this is HRTM management
Yes.
building.
Hotel, restaurant,
Restaurant
and tourism
and tourism
management building.
management building.
we're going to our friends there in the table, wooden table. I feel connected.
Ang mo, ganun yung nangita ng
Naglibot-libot mo na
That is the
Chinalat.
property of building this.
This
Pero
is
ilang mitanan?
Jolok. Dilat. Polok. Beverlat.
And Genelat.
And this is Genelat.
And that?
And I am Jessica. Thank you for watching.
Lawas lang ka.
Lawa mas langkat og si Hanalat. I'll tour you to our campus.
Let's go. Come on.
Sure.
Naaday wa. Come on, come over. Oh, it's raining.
Oh, it's raining. So this here is Pro's laboratory. This is the department of what is this department?
You're
Related
speaking it's
subjects.
like Germany. Like a German.
I'm actually
German dog.
I'm actually a British dog.
How British? Like a bulldog. British like a bulldog. British like a bulldog.
That's Janela there. Ibag Jonas Janela.
Her hair is so long.
The BL.
Lift your head.
And the BL. BL.
The GL. The GL, the BL.
And we are the
And we are the Monkey L.
bulldog L.
No, because of the booker to Abolji.
This is the criminology building here.
And the campus.
And this is
The lunar. And this is the what do you field? The oval. And this two are they
Bugart. Bunjing Bugart.
and we are the wala la
vloggers.
vloggers. Errors.
There's a lot of activities.
Activity ladies. Softball and volleyball ball star.
Like,
Volleyball ball star.
Bukong sa dinosaur.
This.
Mga mo nag-dinosaur sa lupa.
Flotation device.
Dinosaur ba? Ko ano Beverly.
Nakatog ko na.
Yung origin.
Ako na ilabog kita eh. Katang ilabog na desk ba? Flotation device bitaw gano'n.
Ha?
Ano maglabog-labog ba?
Katang bang labog-labog ang bugart ba?
Masuman ka pang first bay.
Laptop.
Rotation device na gito daw.
Rotation device.
Rotation device.
Frisbee, magod.
Rotation device na gito agad to.
Sabot, aroy. So we have, oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my God! Wow!
Picture ka.
Order na ba tayong picture? Kaya akong kuhaan i-picture na siya.
I-vlog me diri day. So today dito ka. Nag-standby sa me because we're waiting
Someone
someone.
to accept us.
Waiting for someone.
Host most likely ta dahil video sim set na i-vlog.
Picture ko.
Host most likely dahil.
Lift your head. Baby, don't be scared.
So I guess that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.